Embroidery digitizing app, free in your browser. In this tutorial, we're going to make a rounded square that's filled with tatami stitches, cut a circle hole in the center, and then add a satin border around that circle. Let's start. Right-click on the canvas, or use the Tools menu at the top, and choose Draw Shape. Click to place points for straight lines. If you want a curve, click and drag instead. If you need to move around or zoom in while you're drawing, just hold the spacebar and drag to pan, or hold space and scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in and out without leaving draw mode. Dragging lets you bend the line smoothly. You'll see two red dashed guidelines as you drag. For a smooth curve, keep those guides lined up in a straight line with each other, and try to point them in the same direction as where the shape is going next. If you want precise angles, hold Control while placing points. That snaps them to 15-degree increments. When you're ready to stop editing, press Enter once to finish adding points, and press Enter again to close the shape. You can also hover over your first point until the pen icon appears, and then click it to close the shape. Once the square is done, go to the Layer panel on the left and lock that square's layer so you won't accidentally select or move it when we draw the circle. Next, still using the Draw Shape tool, draw a circle in the middle of your square. When you're done drawing the circle, make a duplicate of that circle. We'll use the copy in a moment to create a satin border. Then take the original circle and add it as a hole to the square so it cuts out the center. Now it's time to digitize. Fill the square with a tatami stitch. Then take the duplicate circle and apply a satin outline so you get a clean satin border around the hole. Once that's done, go over to the left panel and pick the thread colors you want to use. At the bottom, hit play to watch a 3D simulation of how your design will stitch out. While you're previewing, you can also hold space and drag to move around, or hold space and scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. If something doesn't look right, switch to the Reshape tool or the Reshape Hole tool. Click a point to move it and click again to adjust its curve. Once everything looks good, export your embroidery file, ready for stitching.